Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're at the Killearn Kitchen and then we're heading to where?
The Loup of Fintry.
So this place here is the place for amazing breakfast. We've been here before, me and Holly. We've got here Lauren in the back seat of the car, and it's just awesome. Food is massive. Hoping the food is going to be as good today. We'll take some videos of the food, and then we're going for a little hike. We're going to show you some of the local area around here. So this is Killearn. Where we're going to later is some waterfalls, and they look pretty cool. The weather isn't great today. It is winter in Scotland, so what do you expect? Hopefully we don't get too wet, but we'll update you soon. So here you go guys, we are at the Loup of Fintry. As you see, there's some sheep, there's Lauren, there's Holly, and myself. We are going to see this waterfall. I've got my wonderful drone with me. The breakfast was incredible. So filling. Yeah, highly recommend that place. So let's have a little look around here. I'll make it nice and scenic for you, play some music, so you can sit back and chill out while we do this muddy little walk. Alright, sheep. Alright, Dave! Steve! 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 Oh no, that's not, it's Alan. Right, Alan! Oh my god, they're all staring at me. Oh my, right, okay, I was joking.
I know.
So, sit back and enjoy the video.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. See, I'm blinded by this concrete, and I should probably see what you do.
How much is a pusher? 20 quid?
Did it for free.
I wouldn't mind, but it is not like, that's a game over drop. There you go guys, how cool is that?
It's so pretty.
Without you, new face, same old good anxiety. Where's your irony? Just smile wide. 'Cause I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you. And if I could, I'd leave the city too. I don't blame you. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering how far
you might be wondering why I just fast-hit my drone to make it fly away. Well, we saw this really cute thing on TikTok. And if you check out my TikTok, you'll see it stitched together. And they made this cute video of them kissing the drone and it flying away. So I thought I'd make one. There you go, that's all it is, guys. This area is really cool. And it's really close to the road as well, so it's not bad. Like, good little walk as well. We're gonna head now, after Holly's taken a Polaroid picture with for Instagram. We're gonna head down closer to the waterfall and try and get some better pictures for you. So enjoy that. Gets quieter here. go guys, that was the Loup of Fintry and the Killearn Kitchen. It was really nice, and if you guys want to have this walk yourself, it's about a 20-minute walk, super simple. But if you want to carry on watching my channel for other great walks and other great places in Scotland and across the world, then watch this video next. And I'll see you again soon.